everyone, welcome back. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady, and we are going to show you an amazing Snap-on Smile transformation today. The patient came into us and she has missing quite a few of her teeth, and she was tired for grandkids telling her there's something was wrong with her smile. So how are you?
I'm doing just fine.
Okay, what brought you in?
Just as you said, I had a lot of missing teeth, and it really bothered me, my personality, because I wouldn't talk as much, not wanting to expose my teeth in the condition that they were. So after having seen you first on the New Day Houston show, I did some research on YouTube and everything else and decided this was the option to go, because implants were much too costly. I couldn't afford that. And here I am.
All right, so we've got your result today. You haven't seen them.
No.
So let's zoom in and take a look. Go ahead and open and just close down. So she's a beautiful woman, but go ahead and open just a little bit. She's got some missing teeth on her top. Now you would think Snap-on Smile might not work because there aren't that many teeth present, but they're actually in the perfect spot because there's just enough gap in between that we can actually have retention. So we have created a Snap-on Smile from this tooth to this one, and we've actually rebuilt these teeth, and we did it in 2 different sections, not just one. So we take digital impressions. Here's the study model of the patient. And again, she's missing quite a few teeth, and she doesn't have that many teeth left, but she needed something that she could able to eat, speak with, that wouldn't fall out. So here's what we did. We made them in 2 different pieces. So you can see there's 2 different sections, and they literally snap into place. We're going to try them in to show you the result. We're going to go ahead and place the pieces in, and this fits exactly over 2 of her teeth, but it's so snug. I mean, I have a hard time getting it in. That feels tight, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and now we're going to place the other side. Again, she'll be able to get these in very well. These just snap into place. You would not think that because she didn't have a lot of teeth. Bite down for me, and I want you just to talk.
Well, they feel comfortable. No problem. It feels like I have teeth in my mouth now.
Okay, and just small, but not too big, just natural. Okay, so we left a gap here because if we close that gap, they won't look right. Now, you haven't seen them, correct?
Not at all.
Okay, so let's sit you up. Are you nervous?
Very much so.
So we're going to take a look, right? First time, gonna have teeth, grandkids are gonna be happy.
I know.
All right, so turn that mirror over.
Oh boy. Oh my God. Oh wow. I haven't seen teeth in my mouth like this in years. Oh my God. And it looks natural. Oh my goodness.
It looks really natural.
It does.
I know.
Because I had a gap prior to this. And oh my God.
But you know what's amazing with these is they are so solid. I want you to put your hand in there and tug.
I can't.
They're really solid.
Yes.
You should be able to eat with these.
Oh my
This
God.
totally takes the place of a partial that had those clasps, and you're excited. Oh.
This is amazing. This is really amazing.
This makes me
I
feel
am
good.
very satisfied with it.
Hey.
Oh God.
Oh. It always brings tears to my eyes when we do this because it's been a long time, right?
Yeah, it really has. Wow. I can't believe it.
Would you like a Kleenex? No. Aww. A lot of years.
This is really
life
amazing.
changing.
It is.
Life changing. This brings tears to my eyes. This is why we do what we do. This is exciting. So,
This is better than I thought it would be.
oh yeah,
You know,
I think it's a great result.
And as I say, it's natural because of the gap. You know, it's probably just a little slight bigger, but still, it looks natural.
But you look like you've
whereas
got some teeth, right? See what the
that's
grandkids
the
are going to
most
say.
important thing.
Exactly.
And I'm going to just approach them and see if they'll. I mean, you can't help but notice.
It's so nice. I'm so
It's-
glad you're happy.
Oh wow.
Yay. All right. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Snap-on Smile.
Oh,
It'll
my
change your life.
God.